Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it, looking at another Cash App video. Today we've searched Cash App Money, and as you know, there's tons of scams on here. So we're gonna take a look and see, are these legit or are they fake? And the one that we're gonna look at today is called Cash App Money Tutorial. I get $100 cash every day tutorial. This has almost 5,000 views and it was uploaded 22 hours ago. So let's go ahead and click on this video and take a look and see what it's all about. He says, hi guys, if you like what you're seeing, keep watching. So right here, there's money loading onto the screen. That's not actually an animation within the app. You can also see this is pretty badly designed. There's like this weird black bar at the top of the interface. This little thing sticking down. I think this must be like an iPhone 2, but we'll keep watching here and see what this is all about. Look at this phone, bro. This thing is old. He's got some sexy fingers though. He's saying it's a modified version of Cash App. Definitely don't recommend using any modified version of Cash App. They're all scams. Only use the official, real, legit Cash App. He says it basically allows you to add money to your account. Here I have $0, but he's gonna show us how to change that. Now he's telling you to change settings on your phone. He's saying turn on lock screen orientation, which would have nothing to do with your app. He's just trying to throw in some things unknowing people might think it's actually something. But unfortunately, none of this would ever do anything. Background app refresh is not gonna do anything. Like, none of this would equate to you receiving free money on Cash App. Now he's telling people to go to this sketchy site, injectme.online. There's no such thing as injecting money into your Cash App. But let's keep watching. Look at him tap on that. Takes so long to load. So now he's tapping start injection. He had to tap that like 5 times. Look how bad this interface is. Imagine a world where there's just a loader and it just injects money into your app for free. It's not a real thing. Guys, don't fall for this stupid stuff. Now he's saying for you to get the free money, you have to install some apps. Again, it's not real. Skip ahead here. I don't really want to watch him install apps and put in his information. It's super sketchy. Now he's opening up this modified sketchy version of Cash App. Look at these like black bars on the top of the UI. It just doesn't work. And then what is that? Why did he hold that down? You see him hold this down? What is that, like a play button? It's saying it's still waiting. And this isn't an animation that happens anywhere in Cash App. This is just a video that he's playing on his phone. Super fake. Guys, don't fall for this stuff. I don't even know why YouTube allows these type of videos that are obviously fake. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.